Welcome back. So far, you've learned about some of the things digital marketing and e-commerce can do for e-commerce businesses. You know the advantages of digital marketing and the challenges of reaching customers in a crowded online field. You also know that the first and most important step to any marketing strategy is learning about your customers. Let's get deeper into that last point. It's easy to think of a business's marketing efforts as being all about them, about ways to bring in customers, boost profits, or grow their online presence. But a really effective marketing strategy starts with learning about customers' needs and pain points. Pain points are the specific problems customers and potential customers want to solve. Instead of asking, how do we sell more products? The most successful businesses want to know, how do we help customers address their pain points or achieve their goals? One is about the company's goals, the other is about the customer journey. What is a customer journey? Well, think about the last time you recommended something to a friend. It could be a product, like an app or a tool, or a service, like a restaurant or a contractor. Now think about your journey with that product or service. How did you first find it? If you had questions, how did you get answers? What convinced you to try it? How did it help you solve a problem or achieve a goal? And finally, what made you decide to recommend it to someone else? The path you take from learning about that product to getting your questions answered to making a purchase is your customer journey. From your perspective, the goal of that journey wasn't necessarily to purchase a specific product. It's just the thing that you ended up purchasing happened to fulfill your needs. Here's an example. Let's pretend you're in the market for a new weather app. Maybe the one you have isn't reliable and you keep getting caught in the rain without an umbrella. So you search online for best weather apps and find some options. One stands out because the name is familiar. You think a friend might have told you about it recently, or maybe it was an online ad. You narrow your options to a few candidates and start reading reviews. 2 have all the features you want, but you pick the one with the familiar name. It tops several best of lists and it has a trial subscription. So you download the app, but it's not working right. You go back to the reviews and find out this is a known issue, so you contact the support through live chat. They help you fix the problem quickly, which makes you feel good about the company. You start the trial, and after a month, you've always had your umbrella when it rained. You get an email reminder that your trial is about to expire, and you're so happy with the app that you purchase a subscription. Now you're a loyal customer. Each interaction with the brand during this purchase journey is called a touch point. From the search to the customer reviews, online ad, trial subscription, live chat, and follow-up email, every touch point had the potential to help or hurt your impression of the brand and its product. A bad experience at any point can mean an abandoned journey, so it's in a company's best interest to make sure you get information and answers you need along the way. With enough customer research, marketers can use these touch points to create a customer journey map. A customer journey map is a visualization of the touch points a typical customer encounters along their purchase journey. You can even have multiple journey maps based on the patterns and behaviors of different types of customers. Of course, it's impossible to know exactly what route each person will take, but journey maps aren't about predicting the future. They help you understand how and why customers are interacting with your business. When you know how customers are finding you, how they're learning about you, and what problems they want to solve, you can work to make their experiences better. And better customer experiences ultimately mean greater success for your business. And there you have it. By understanding customer journeys, you can create better, more user-friendly experiences. Coming up, you'll learn how journey maps work along with another tool, the marketing funnel, to target their marketing efforts and encourage potential customers to make purchases.